How to create account on OnlyFans. Hello and welcome to 1-2 Step. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can create an account on OnlyFans. For that, open any browser on your device and at the search bar type onlyfans.com, the official website of OnlyFans. Then press enter to search it. You will reach to this interface. Here at the right side, you will find the login page. At the bottom, there you will find sign up for OnlyFans option. Click on it. You may also sign in with Twitter or Google if you want. Click on this sign up for OnlyFans option. You will have to enter your credentials to create an account on it. Enter your name, email and a strong password. After entering all your credentials, now click on this sign up button to start creating your account. Wait for a while. You'll have to click on this box to verify you're not a robot. After successful verification, again click on this sign up button and then there you will see you have successfully created account on OnlyFans. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.